want more?
Yeah.
No, come this way.
So then,
Everybody get your tea, get your hot chocolate. So get your hot chocolate. So, hi beauties, hi guys, hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel. So today's video, as I promised today, we are going to be decorating the Christmas tree for you guys today. This was the only decoration that I said I'm going to be putting up, and I usually decorate the Christmas tree with the kids every year. So we have all our hot chocolate. As you can see, they're all busy drinking it already. We have our donuts here. So you know what? Something for treats, and I just have hot water in here. Nothing else, guys. I just wanted to drink something. So yeah, so we're just going to go ahead and decorate this tree for you guys. So Isabel, you want to show them a new ornament that we're going to use to decorate this tree today?
Yeah.
Show them. Show.
Today we're using this ornament today. Yeah. And we can't wait to do it.
What color are
And
they?
they're lucky. The pink, the golden, the silver, the white, and the silver. And there's some details on that. And there's some stuff.
subscribe.
And
This
there's
is so
some
good.
sparkly stuff. And we can't wait to do it. We're so lucky.
So guys, let's go and decorate the Christmas tree with. Are we ready?
Yeah. Let's
All
go,
right,
guys.
let's go. Let's
Hey guys,
decorate.
come on. Let's go.
Okay, who is going to put the first ornament?
Mommy, we should just do
This hot
it
chocolate
together.
is so good.
Yeah.
I need to learn how to do this. So, Mommy, we could just do anything we want.
As you can see, everybody has their own ornament with their name on it, so they get to have their ornament with their name on it on the Christmas tree. So let's
All the happy smiles and the wishes, open fire from the light till the mistletoe. And as soon as you remove that snow, I'll keep you warm. But tell me one thing: is there anything you're missing? We will be alright. This holiday will open our minds. look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments, doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors, they kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us. There's something different about us. We're pouring cup after cup after cup. Yeah, it's just the way we do it. Anything just to block out the real life, real life. Yeah, we're loving the way they
Decorating, as you can see right now, what they're doing is playing around and throwing the balls. I think you did a great job decorating. It's not a lot of ornaments on the Christmas
Mommy,
tree
can
this
I
year.
talk?
I think they're all hyped with from the hot chocolate
And we
the
can't.
donut, and I'm just going to go ahead and put the Christmas top on it. All right.
We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are.
I hear Cindy.
Mommy Manuel, are we ready to turn on the Christmas light? Turn on the tree.
Turn off the lights.
Okay, Mama, I'm going.
Ready?
Yeah.
Set.
Yeah.
Go.
Wow.
Wow! We did it! So, turn on back the light, guys. So, this is our Christmas tree this year.
Isabella's in the shop.
So, guys,
Isabella's school.
we're completely done with the Christmas tree decoration. That was my last decor video for this year. And yeah, we all did our job. We tried to decorate as much as we could, and yeah, I hope you guys like it. And please do not forget to push the subscribe button down below, and also please push the bell sign down below so that you get a
And put
notification.
that like button up.
You hear her, push that like button. And also please don't forget to push the bell sign down below so that you get a notification, so that whenever I upload a video, you're the first to see it. So I'm going to let you guys go. I hope you guys like it. I hope you subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.
Bye.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, how richly God has decked thee. Thou bidst us true and faithful be, and trust in God unchangingly, oh Christmas tree.